Thank you for visiting Traveling United once again, gentlemen. To be completely honest, Maldives is worth it all due to its unrivaled beaches, unequal elegance, and vibrant underwater environment. Blessed with awe-inspiring natural majesty and beauty, check out some of the Maldives' most tranquil resort areas. Number 1. Malay Atoll. The best locations to see in the Maldives are concentrated in this city, which is also the most visited. It's one among the main destinations for the Maldives tourism. Now known as King's Island, it was formerly known as Mahal since it served as the royal dynasty's residence. Rain falls in the Malay throughout the majority of the year due to the tropical monsoon environment. Number 2. Alamantha Island. The island is ideal for a honeymoon as well as a family vacation because of its idyllic waters, which are ideal for diving, snorkeling, and boating. It's also regarded as one of the best honeymoon destinations in the Maldives. It's a lot of joy to play volleyball at this location on the sparkling sand and sun-kissed beaches. It's one of the top Maldives tourist destinations because of its Ayurvedic massage center, spa, and restaurants. Number 3. Six Senses La Amu. The lodging options at this resort are numerous. Depending on your budget, pick between the beach villas that are on the land, the ocean villas, or the underwater lagoon villas. Their marine conservation initiative gained them numerous honors, and they're situated on the secluded island of Lamu Atoll. It's an experience you won't soon forget as you watch dolphins while enjoying delectable east-west food. Number 4. Como Coco Island. Maldives is home to many beautiful islands, but the Como Coco Island has a special allure. For those seeking to unwind and recharge, the island offers unending tranquility and leisure. Como Coco Island in the Maldives is well known for its opulent 5-star villas and gracious service. You have the ingredients for an encounter that will simply touch your soul when you add the crystal clear waves in the white sand beach. Number 5. Artificial Beach. The manufactured nature on this beach is implied by its name. It's one among the best spots to visit in the Maldives and favorite hangout for swimmers. Since it's an open place, the artificial beach is subject to local law's requirement for attire. The ideal spot to visit in the Maldives for kids is the beach, which also offers a number of carnivals, water sports, and tranquil strolls. As musical ensembles congregate and jam, the evenings here become stunning. Number 6. The Maraca Conrad. Conrad Maldives Resort luxurious Maraca Villa has 2 levels and it's located underwater. It offers a breathtaking glimpse into the exotic way of dining, sleeping, and living beneath the azure waves of the Indian Ocean, which may at first be difficult for some to imagine. This luxurious lodging offers a private chef and butler and an infinity pool, expert spa services, an on-call fitness trainer, and water sports. The Maraca is unquestionably one of the Maldives' most perplexing tourist destinations. Number 7. The Regali Island. Conrad Maldives Regali Island is one-of-a-kind resort that coexists in perfect harmony with the surrounding ecosystem on 2 connected islands in the Indian Ocean. Conrad Maldives Regali is an enchanting island paradise with an experience that includes underwater gardens and intuitive service. On your Maldives sightseeing tour, the Regali Island is among the most stunning locations. This island is home to the opulent Conrad Maldives Resort. It's the perfect location to enjoy a variety of water sports like swimming, fishing, and viewing dolphins. Regali Island is a fantastic place to explore with your loved ones and a completely family-friendly vacation spot. Number 8. Adu City. After Malé, Adu City is the Maldives' most populated area. It's also the second largest city in the country, and it draws honeymooners and couples with its alluring vistas of tall coconut trees lining with turquoise water and the sky above. Here is where the Mosque of the Judge is, one of the most well-known historical attractions in the Maldives, telling the tale of the Sultanate's rule over the city. Number 9. Dusit Thani. Every now and again, we all need to unwind, and the Dusit Thani Resort is the perfect place to do so. You can get some seclusion in one of the resort's 108 overwater bungalows, and wellness is its main focus. Your stay will be made more comfortable by the outdoor rain showers, the private pools and terraces, and their first-rate service. A private dinner on the beach or a floating breakfast by the pool will be unforgettable. Number 10. Velagandu Island. The island of Velagandu is relatively small, but despite its diminutive size, it has its own charm for tourists. In this land of glistening waves, the island's incredible flora offers a great deal of tranquility. Additionally, the lagoons in this area offer fantastic choices for snorkeling and diving. The island guarantees to provide you with wonderful cuisine and is adjacent to a fishing community. Many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.